Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this brand new Audi RS6 Avant Performance Carbon Vorsprung. This particular example is finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, which is really give it that standout road appearance. As well, this is the RS6 Performance, so it does feature a 4-litre twin-turbocharged V8 petrol engine, which produces 630 PS and 850 Nm of torque, producing a 0 to 62 time of just 3.4 seconds. This particular model is also fitted with the satin carbon fibre package, which does include the carbon rear diffuser, mirror caps and side skirts. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic digital LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional RS6 Performance Magnesium 22-inch 5Y-spoke matte black alloys, which really complement that lovely metallic black paint. To the roof now, we do find the sliding panoramic glass sunroof, which is let in the lovely natural light into the interior and is a part of the carbon Vorsprung package. Moving in now to the RS6 Avant's boot capacity, where we do find up to 600 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a performance Avant of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags, and the rear tailgate is electronically adjustable. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full quilted nap leather interior with the additional black leather and the lovely red stitching to complement. There is the carbon fibre inserts, as well as the passengers having a digital dual zone climate control with heated seats also available for those rear occupants, as well as a lovely leather centre armrest. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious interior with a large amount of Alcantara, leather, carbon fibre and aluminium. With this being the RS model, it does mean you do get the sliding panoramic glass sunroof, as well as these RS comfort bucket seats, which do have the lovely red stitching to complement. Above now there is the virtual cockpit, in which is featured a central sports ref counter. By pressing the view button, you can then access telephone connectivity, vehicle data and also satellite navigation. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which once again does feature the satellite navigation, as well as also having access to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find the equally impressive dual zone digital climate control, which is touch sensitive and easy to operate. As well as this, you do get the ventilated, cooled and heated seats available for both front occupants. To the screen above once again, we find the optional 360 surround, which does make this RS6 Avant much easier to park, especially in those tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the brand new Audi RS6 Avant Performance Carbon Vorsprung, which is now available at Stafford Audi.